Do you think that it's part of what may be going on here is that you may say Wall Street is now taking the pain the same as Main Street?
Maybe. I think a lot of that is true in that the average Wall Street person hasn't felt the pain of Main Street. They're separated. They think of themselves as globalists. But what's really hit them the past few days is if you're on Wall Street, you're a hedge fund, you would use what's known as the carry trade. You'd go into Japan, you'd borrow at very low interest rates, and the Japanese yen was losing ground against the dollar. It was depreciating against the dollar. And so you'd borrow, and then when you paid back, the yen was cheaper, so you could pay it back more easily. So they just kept borrowing and investing in higher return items, like NVIDIA, which was going up because of the AI boom, or just the U.S. stock market in general. Well, what happened is the yen reversed because people started talking about, hey, we may lower interest rates in the Federal Reserve here in America, and all of a sudden the yen became a little more attractive on a relative basis to the U.S. dollar, so the yen strengthens a little bit. And the net result of it is the people had to start panicking and selling things to cover their margin calls because they did all this on debt and leverage and so forth. So think of the Wall Street person in a sense as the guy that's been on a hot streak in Vegas and he's been rolling and drinking and winning and winning and winning, and all of a sudden he's placing bigger and bigger bets, and it doesn't come up his way one time. There's a panic. Where am I going to come up with this money? That's what happened. And now today, in fact, as we're recording this, we're seeing the market rebound a little bit because the Japanese yen has weakened a little bit. And the net result of it is we've gone from a risk off, I don't need any risk in my portfolio, to people looking for bargains and looking for opportunities. I don't know what it predicts for the next 3 months or 6 months, but I can tell you we have a dire future to face unless we quickly reverse the Biden policies of overregulation, increasing taxes, and woke corporations, and we get back to American business.